if the volume of a rectangular based pyramid is 60 centimeter cube and its base area is 18 centimeters squared, calculate the height of the pyramid. Okay, don't forget that the formula of a pyramid is equals to 1 over 3 multiplied by the base area times height. This is the formula for a pyramid. 1 over 3 times base area times height. Now, the volume of a pyramid is this. The volume of a pyramid, V equals to 1 over 3 BH. So, the volume has been given as 60 centimeter cube, equals to the base area has been given as 18. The volume is what? 60 centimeter cube. The base area is what? 18 centimeter squared. We are looking for the height. So, volume, which is 60, equals to 18 multiplied by the height. The height is what you are looking for. All over 3. Do you understand? So, 3 here 1, 3 here 6. Do you understand? So, I'm going to have 60 equals to 6 times h. To get the value of h, divide both by 6. H equals to 10. So, since the volume is in centimeter cube and the base is in centimeter squared, the base area is in centimeter squared, the height will be in centimeter. Do you understand? So, the correct option to that question is option A. Option A is 10 centimeter, option B is 15 centimeter, option C 20 centimeter, option D 25, option E 30 centimeter. The correct option is option A.